Welcome back to the shop. I'm Jeff from Today's Craftsman. With the holidays approaching, you might be looking for a gift for the woodworker in your life, or maybe you're a woodworker who got Amazon gift card for Christmas or for the holidays, and you want to know what to spend it on. We have 5 $50 or less items here that you might find interesting, that you might like. So these are in no particular order. These are all things that I use every day. So this is a little snap-off utility knife from NT Cutter, and this has the, I think they call these very sharp blades, so you can see it's at a very sharp angle. This has a great feel, goes in and out nice and easy. It's got enough heft to it and enough size that you can get a good grip, but it's nice and small for the shop, works great as a marking knife, and you can snap this off and get a fresh tip very fast. I'll show you how that works. So just like that, I have a brand new super sharp tip.
Can you do one more?
Wasting all my tips here. So very sharp, very nice. NT Cutter. We'll have links to all these down in the description. Next, sort of a similar product. This is from Gayakucho, and this is a little Japanese pull saw in the frame of a 25mm utility knife. I never thought I needed this until I got it. It lives in my install belt. I use this all the time. When you need to make a little cut on the job site, you can just pull this out, make your cut, put it away, back in your belt. Great to have. This is something that you use all the time if you pick it up. Next, another, these happen to all be Japanese items so far. NT Cutter, Gayakucho. This is a pencil that I really love. You can see I have one here in my apron, and this is the one from my tool belt. This is an Enpitsu Sharp from Kokoyo. I like 0.9 for the most part, but they make these in 0.7, 0.5. Just a great mechanical pencil. Has the retractable barrel here, so it goes back up into the pencil, and has a nice large extendable eraser. These are a little bit more than your regular pencil, but at like $6, splurge a little bit, you'll definitely like these. Check it out. Next up, Halder Simplex 40. So this is the mallet that I use every day. I have, I think, 3 of these kicking around. I like the black face, which is a hard rubber, and the red face, which is a hard plastic. So this is for persuading things, and this is for keeping things, from getting damaged. You can see it's all covered with glue. But this is my favorite mallet. It's a 40mm with replaceable faces. You can change these out to different styles of faces if you want, and it's got enough heft behind it where you can really move stuff if you need to, but it's not crazy heavy. Not a big fan of dead blows. I really like this. And our last gift under $50, Dubuque clamps. If you were a Bessie user like I was, once you try these, you're never going to go back. We have a ton of these now. This happens to be a 24-inch. You can see how easy this moves. Made in Iowa. And to me, I think a 36-inch would be a good one to start with. Sort of covers most of your bases. You can make a tabletop or you can glue up a small door. These are super light and really great clamps, super strong. So check them out. Hope you guys have a great holiday. If you have any questions about these or you pick one up and you like it, let us know down below. We'll talk to you next week. Thanks for watching. If you're still here, okay, I got it. Are you recording?
Yeah, that's going to be it. That's what I'm going to put up.
Thanks for watching. If you're still here, hope you'll hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and if you want to see more day-to-day content, check us out on Instagram at Today's Craftsman.